Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But I will say that probably will be the last video I do on this one for a while until something happens. Now, what do I mean by something happening? Well, overall, bigger picture context, the price is very clearly now just stuck between this sideways channel pattern. So for those of you that are maybe new to charts, just a basic pattern out there, a sideways channel pattern, right? Meaning the price is just channeling back and forth in a sideways motion. And that's just, again, what happened today. Now, from a trading perspective, I mean, of course, you can still make money. I mean, up and down, up and down. There's plenty of money to be made from, like I said, the trading angle. But from more so just the bigger picture, there's not much else that I can really talk about from, like I said, an overall story perspective until something actually happens. That being one of two things. Either eventually the bulls show up enough to work to the upside of the pattern and get the breakout, or the bears work up enough strength where eventually they push the price down and then it's a breakdown through the downside. But really, until one of those dynamics happens, all I can really say is, hey, the price is still stuck between and fluctuating between that sideways channel. Now, as far as assigning some actual numbers, the key level of resistance, so in other words, the top of the channel is up there at 690. The key level of support, or said another way, the main level of support is right down there at the $6 mark. So keep your eye on those couple levels going forward. But really, until then, it's one of those, grab some popcorn, grab some Sour Patch Kids, and you got to just sit back and wait and see which direction the price is ultimately going to win out. So we'll see how this continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.